Vitamin.Recharge.Hero is a nourishing, repairing hair mask, especially suitable for dry, dehydrated and/or damaged hair. It helps strengthen hair by wrapping it in a protective veil to repair it. Like all Vitamin Recharge products, it incorporates its concentrated vitamins and biotin, so characteristics of this line. In addition, it is combined with coconut vegetable oil as an extra active ingredient to strengthen the hair and repair it intensely. We apply to freshly washed damp hair and let it act for 3 to 5 minutes. We can decide whether to rinse it or not, depending on the degree of repair we need and the structure of the hair we have.